What is the Fifth Amendment's right against self-incrimination? Imagine being asked questions by the police and feeling unsure whether you should answer or stay silent. That feeling is common, but there's a special rule in the law that helps protect you. This rule is part of the Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution. It says you cannot be forced to testify against yourself in a criminal case. That means you don't have to answer questions that might make you look guilty. This right is there to make sure the government doesn't pressure or force people to give evidence that could lead to their own conviction. The phrase from the Fifth Amendment states that no person shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself. This means if you are asked questions that could make you seem guilty, you can refuse to answer. But you need to clearly say you are invoking this right. Simply staying silent might not be enough unless you explicitly say, "I am pleading the Fifth." Once you do that, the police or court cannot make you answer questions that could incriminate you. This right is very important in protecting your personal freedom. It helps prevent unfair practices where authorities might try to get confessions or answers through pressure or intimidation. It also keeps the focus on the prosecution's job to prove guilt, not on forcing the accused to help with their own conviction. If you are in court or being questioned by police, you have the right to refuse to answer questions that could make you look guilty. But remember, this right only protects you from self-incrimination. If you choose to testify and tell the truth, you can be held accountable if you lie. That is called perjury. The Fifth Amendment's protection is about the right to remain silent and not be forced to give evidence that could be used against you in a criminal case. It is a key part of the legal system to ensure fairness and prevent abuse of power. Knowing this right means you understand you do not have to answer questions that might make you look guilty, and you can choose to stay silent without fear of punishment. This helps keep the justice process fair for everyone.